If you're looking to upgrade your bathroom and make life a little easier, then this video is for you. Today, we'll be exploring the 30 best bathroom essentials that seniors and everybody else needs in their life. From practical safety tools to luxurious comfort upgrades, we've got something for everyone. And if you find something you love, be sure to check the description for links to all the products mentioned. Make sure to watch till the end, because the last essential is an absolute must-have. First up, we have the grab bars for bath. Slippery surfaces in the bathroom can be dangerous, especially for seniors or those with mobility challenges. The grab bars for bath is a sturdy, durable handrail designed to provide extra support and safety. It's ideal for anyone who needs a reliable grip while entering or exiting the tub or shower. This practical addition to your bathroom reduces the risk of falls and adds peace of mind, ensuring a safer bathing experience. Next up is the toenail clippers with magnifier. Struggling to trim your nails with precision can be frustrating, especially if you have limited vision or dexterity. The toenail clippers with magnifier are foldable clippers equipped with a built-in magnifier to make nail care easier and safer. They're perfect for seniors or anyone who needs a little extra help with grooming. With its sharp blades and ergonomic design, this tool offers better visibility and control, making at-home nail care stress-free. On our number 3 spot, we have the threshold ramps for bathroom doorways. Navigating uneven doorways can be a hassle, especially for wheelchair users or those with mobility aids. The threshold ramps for bathroom doorways are self-adhesive, non-slip ramps that provide smooth transitions over door frames. They're perfect for seniors or anyone looking to improve accessibility at home. These durable, easy-to-install ramps ensure safe and convenient movement, making everyday activities more seamless. Moving on to our 4th gadget, we have the step-in shower. Traditional bathtubs can be challenging to step into safely, especially for seniors or those with mobility issues. The step-in shower transforms your existing bathtub into a walk-in shower with a simple, easy-to-install accessibility step. It's ideal for anyone looking to reduce the risk of falls in the bathroom. This innovative design ensures convenience and safety, providing a seamless way to enjoy bathing without barriers. The number 5 gadget on our list is called the automatic soap dispenser. Simplify hand washing and enhance hygiene with this touchless dispenser. This sleek device automatically dispenses soap with a wave of your hand, making it perfect for seniors or anyone looking for a mess-free hygienic solution in the bathroom or kitchen. Say goodbye to the hassle of messy soap pumps and hello to a clean, touch-free experience. At number 6, we have the magnetic bar soap holder. Keeping soap bars dry and within reach is a common struggle. The magnetic bar soap holder is a clever solution that uses a magnetic mechanism to suspend your soap, preventing it from turning mushy. It's a perfect choice for maintaining hygiene and minimizing waste. This eco-friendly, space-saving gadget keeps your soap dry, clean, and accessible, simplifying bathroom routines. Next up is the water flosser. Maintaining oral hygiene can be tricky with traditional floss, especially for seniors or those with arthritis. The water flosser is a cordless, rechargeable device that uses water pressure to clean between teeth and along the gum line. It's ideal for anyone looking for an effective and gentle way to improve oral health. Compact and waterproof, this tool is a game changer for a healthier smile, offering convenience and ease of use. On our number 8 spot, we have the toothpaste dispenser. Struggling to squeeze out toothpaste can make everyday dental care more difficult than it needs to be. The toothpaste dispenser is an automatic gadget that releases just the right amount of toothpaste with a gentle push. It's ideal for seniors or anyone with limited hand strength or arthritis. This compact and hygienic dispenser makes dental routines easier and mess-free, keeping your bathroom tidy and convenient. Next up is the anti-fog mirror. Foggy mirrors can be frustrating and inconvenient, especially after a hot shower. The anti-fog mirror is a specially designed bathroom mirror that remains clear and reflective, even in steamy conditions. It's perfect for seniors or anyone looking to save time and effort after their shower. With its easy-to-install design and crystal-clear surface, this mirror ensures a hassle-free grooming experience. The number 10 gadget is the non-slip bath mats for bathroom. Keep your bathroom safe and dry with these absorbent, non-slip mats designed to reduce the risk of falls. Crafted with ultra-soft microfiber and a non-slip backing, these mats provide excellent grip and comfort. They're ideal for seniors or anyone wanting a secure and cozy bathroom experience. Say goodbye to slippery floors and hello to peace of mind with this essential bathroom accessory. At number 11, we have the shower chair for inside shower. Standing for long periods in the shower can be uncomfortable or risky for some individuals. The shower chair for inside shower is a sturdy, height-adjustable seat designed to provide comfort and safety. It's ideal for seniors or anyone needing additional support while bathing. This thoughtful product ensures stability and reduces fatigue, making showers more enjoyable and secure. Next up is the raised toilet seat with handles. Standard toilet seats can be too low, making sitting and standing a challenge for seniors or those recovering from surgery. The raised toilet seat with handles is an elevated seat with sturdy hand grips, offering extra height and support. It's perfect for improving comfort and safety in the bathroom. This easy-to-install design enhances independence and minimizes strain during daily routines. On our number 13 spot, we have the heated towel warmers. Cold towels can be an unwelcome surprise, especially during chilly mornings. The heated towel warmers gently warm your towels, giving you a spa-like experience right in your bathroom. It's perfect for anyone looking to add comfort and luxury to their daily routine. With its sleek design and efficient heating system, this warmer keeps towels cozy and ready whenever you need them. Moving on to the 14th gadget, we have the rinse-free shampoo cap. Washing hair in a traditional shower can be challenging for seniors or those with limited mobility. The rinse-free shampoo cap is a disposable, microwavable cap that cleans and conditions hair without the need for water. It's perfect for caregivers or anyone seeking a quick, hassle-free solution for hair care. This hypoallergenic cap is gentle and easy to use, providing a refreshing clean wherever you are. The 15th gadget on our list is the long handle scrubber. Reaching hard-to-clean areas in the bathroom can be a struggle for those with mobility issues or limited range of motion. This scrubber features an extra-long handle and durable bristles, making it easy to clean tiles, bathtubs, and other surfaces without straining. Say goodbye to bending and stretching and hello to effortless cleaning with this practical tool. And if you want to know the latest prices of the bathroom essentials mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. At number 16, we have the toilet safety rails. Using the toilet can be a challenge for those with limited mobility or balance issues. The toilet safety rails are sturdy, foldable handrails designed to provide added support when sitting or standing. These rails are perfect for seniors or anyone needing extra stability in the bathroom. With their adjustable height and non-slip grips, these rails make the bathroom a safer and more accessible space. Next up is the Bidet Neo 120. Maintaining personal hygiene can be difficult with limited mobility or flexibility. The Bidet Neo 120 is a non-electric, easy-to-install bidet attachment that provides a refreshing and hygienic cleaning experience. It's perfect for seniors or anyone looking for a cleaner, more comfortable bathroom routine. This simple yet effective device offers adjustable water pressure, ensuring comfort and ease of use. On our number 18 spot, we have the anti-slip shower stickers. Slippery shower floors can pose a significant fall risk, especially for seniors. The anti-slip shower stickers are durable, adhesive strips designed to provide extra grip and stability in wet areas. They're perfect for ensuring safety during daily showers. These waterproof and easy-to-install stickers add peace of mind and reduce the risk of accidents in the bathroom. Next, we have the handheld shower head at number 19. Adjusting the water flow or reaching high-mounted shower heads can be challenging for individuals with limited mobility. The handheld shower head is a lightweight, adjustable device designed for ease of use. Its ergonomic grip and extra-long hose make it perfect for seniors or anyone needing greater control while showering. This shower head offers adjustable water pressure and a convenient on-off switch, ensuring a safe and comfortable bathing experience. The number 20 gadget on our list is the hair dryer stand. Drying and styling your hair can be cumbersome, especially if you need both hands free for brushing. This adjustable hair dryer stand holds your dryer in place, allowing hands-free use for effortless styling. It's perfect for seniors or anyone with limited arm strength or dexterity. Say goodbye to juggling your hair dryer and hello to convenience and ease with this practical tool. And if you still haven't found something you like, then keep watching because these next 10 will make you change your mind. At number 21, we have the automatic toilet paper dispenser. Handling toilet paper rolls can be inconvenient for individuals with limited dexterity or mobility. The automatic toilet paper dispenser is a rechargeable, waterproof device that automatically dispenses the perfect amount of paper with a simple touch. It's ideal for seniors or anyone seeking an effortless solution to bathroom routines. This intelligent gadget combines convenience and modern design, making it a practical and hygienic choice. Next up is the corner shower caddy. Finding space to store bathroom essentials can be a challenge, especially in smaller showers. The corner shower caddy is a rotating, space-saving organizer that keeps items like shampoo, soap, and razors neatly within reach. It's a fantastic addition for anyone looking to declutter their bathroom. This 360-degree rotating shelf is easy to install and built to withstand humidity, making it a practical and durable solution. On our number 23 spot, we have the wall-mounted makeup mirror. Getting a clear, close-up view for grooming or makeup application can be challenging without the right tools. The wall-mounted makeup mirror features magnification and an adjustable arm, offering perfect positioning and clarity. It's ideal for seniors or anyone who wants a precise, hands-free grooming experience. This sleek, space-saving mirror is easy to install and a practical addition to any bathroom. On our number 24 spot, we have the motion sensor nightlight. Navigating dark hallways or bathrooms at night can be risky for seniors. The motion sensor nightlight automatically lights up when it detects movement, providing gentle illumination without the need to search for switches. It's ideal for enhancing safety and convenience during nighttime routines. With its energy-efficient LED technology and customizable brightness settings, this compact light is a must-have for any home. The 25th gadget on our list is the heated toilet seat. Cold toilet seats can be uncomfortable, especially during the winter months. This heated toilet seat provides warmth and comfort, making every bathroom visit a cozy experience. It's perfect for seniors or anyone looking to add a touch of luxury to their home. Say goodbye to chilly mornings and hello to soothing warmth with this must-have bathroom upgrade. At number 26, we have the heavy-duty step stool. Reaching high cabinets or shelves can be tricky and unsafe without proper support. The heavy-duty step stool is an adjustable, non-skid platform with a sturdy handrail for added stability. It's an excellent solution for seniors or anyone needing a safe and secure boost. With its durable design and safety features, this step stool makes everyday tasks more accessible and worry-free. Next up is the raised toilet seat cushion. Sitting on hard toilet seats can be uncomfortable, especially for seniors or those with sensitive skin. The raised toilet seat cushion is a padded, soft seat cover that provides extra comfort and support. It's an excellent choice for enhancing bathroom comfort for longer durations. Designed with durable, easy-to-clean materials, this cushion offers an effortless way to make bathroom visits more comfortable. On our number 28 spot, we have the blood pressure monitor. Keeping track of blood pressure is essential for maintaining heart health, especially for seniors. The blood pressure monitor is a Bluetooth-compatible automatic device that provides accurate readings at the touch of a button. It's perfect for anyone looking to monitor their health conveniently at home. With its easy-to-read display and smartphone connectivity, this monitor ensures you can track your health effortlessly. At number 29, we have the UV sanitizer lamp. Maintaining a clean environment is essential, especially in shared spaces. The UV sanitizer lamp is a portable device that uses ultraviolet light to eliminate germs and bacteria on surfaces. It's perfect for seniors or anyone looking to enhance hygiene and reduce the spread of contaminants. This lightweight, travel-friendly lamp is easy to use and ensures peace of mind with its powerful sanitizing capabilities. Finally, we have the electric toothbrush. Maintaining oral hygiene is crucial, but manual brushing can be tiring and less effective. This electric toothbrush offers powerful cleaning with multiple brushing modes and a built-in timer. It's ideal for seniors or anyone wanting an efficient and effortless dental care routine. Say goodbye to plaque and hello to a brighter smile with this modern toothbrush, and there you have it. We hope these 30 best bathroom essentials are exactly what you've been looking for to upgrade your space and make life easier for seniors and everyone else. And if you want to learn more about cool gadgets, then click this next video. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.